My name is Milad Bazazi and this is my CS3260 final project. So I wanted to make an app that tells a user when their food is about to expire based on the date that they enter for its expiration. And this is the storyboard of my app. So we have a table view, and then when we press the add button, it goes to my add controller view, and if you click a table cell from the table view, it goes to the edit down here. And so I use protocols inside of each of those classes, and I format the dates inside of the text fields by using a date picker, and I set the text of those text fields as a string representation of the date for both of those. So those are my two controller views. And then in my view, this is very similar to our inventory 2 assignment, but obviously modifications have been added. So major modifications are where the cell is made. Here we grab the user's date, current date that they have in their system, and we get the parts of the date that we want, and we compare that date to the date that was entered by the user for their item's expiration. And if that item's expiration date is past the expiration date, or if that user's current date is past the expiration date, the cell will be red, and every time the app is reopened, the user will be notified that the food is about to expire or has expired and they should use it, and that's where that happens. Other than that, it's pretty similar. And obviously we use a SQLite 3 database to store everything. The code is fully formatted. There are no warning errors. Device rotation is also accounted for in this app, and persistence and the table view are also part of this app. For demonstration of this app, we're going to change the minimum date that a user can enter, just so that we can show that foods can expire by entering an older date. But in the actual app, you cannot enter a date, obviously, that is for the user's current date while they're entering. So here we're going to run the app. Okay. All right, so we have our food list. It's empty right now. Table view. We go to add one. We can give it a name. Apples. Let's pick a date. Let's do August 27th. Then we press save. It's good. Let's say we want to change or edit it. Add a couple more days. Save still works. If we change a date and then don't save it, that function also works. We can delete just like that. And then let's just add a couple of sample items. November 2. Now let's make this one in July, and we allowed for this by changing that setting, but usually the user will not be able to enter something that is older than their current date. Then we press save, and then we're warned that our food is about to expire and that we should use it. And then every time the user comes back in, that item will be read like it is right now, and they'll be reminded about that. So then let's demonstrate the losing of focus. We still have the same items. Then if we close it and come back, again, we're warned about that item, and our items are loaded again. So this is my app, and again, show that. That's it. Thank you so much.